Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to work with the profile. So far we have the authentication system working. It's pretty good, but we need to work with the profile. We need to enable that the user can add their favorite articles and their information. Yeah, and let's start by modifying our articles details. Um, but the first thing that we will need to do, we want to create a button so when the user it's logging, they can press the button here or whatever and add that article to their favorites, right? Because we have defined that here, like in the profiles here. Remember? Um, yeah. So let's go to our templates and let's go to post details. Um, in the let me see. It is the picture and everything. So let's see. Let's go to materialize. Here I saw this button. We can use this button. It's kind of like this to yeah, like here. Oops, like here the button so we can just save or unsave whatever. Um, yeah, and this copy. Let me see. We need this. Let's copy a button. This one. Let's copy this one. Let's paste it. Let me see. I don't know. After the paradise, I guess, or here. Let's see. Save. Yeah, here. But we need to we need that one in the right. So let's put right. Let's refresh. Mm, it's right. Oh, oops. It's actually here. Haha. Here you go. Okay, let's change this icon. Let's see. Icons. I saw one like with a heart. Yeah, this one. Oop. Yeah, favorite. Let's copy this one. Favorite. And here we go. Here we go. We have it. Yep. We have our heart. It's here. Um, now we just need to start like modifying our post details in the, let's see, here in our views. Oops, sorry, in our post. Here, it is the post details. What we're going to do, we want to like just add this article to the users, right? The first thing that we need to do is we need to import the user, right? User will be equal to the request user and the ID because we want the ID of the user, right? Let me see, we have user imported. Let me see, we have the profile. Okay. Okay, user ID. Now let's call the oops, profile dot objects and get And then here we just pass the underscore ID because we are passing this user. We're passing the ID here. So the when we like trying to find the user, it will look for the ID. Okay. Um, let's save that. We need to import the. We need to import it. Let's import the profile. Boom. Okay, we have the profile. Okay. Yeah. So if request, oops, equals post. If in this view we have a post, it means that we are hitting the button to February, right? So if profile dot we're looking for the favorites, right? Favorites filter. Um, I'm having this conditional because the first thing that we need to check if is the article is already in the favorites list, right? That's what we need to do. And then we just pass the slot and this slot, the pass slot. And if this exists, what we're going to do, we are going to remove them. And you just click remove and then we pass the article. Oops, and then we pass the article. This is the article that we want to remove. If not, we want to actually add that article to the favorites. And then we just remove, add. Boom. That's it. That's it. Pretty much. That's how it is. Save that. Okay, we have no errors. Now we need to go to the templates. See post details here. So now we need to make the changes here. So to the button, so the buttons like works as intended, right? We need to put this button in a form. Boom. Okay, and let's method post action. Let's just leave it in blank, and then let's put this in like I don't know. Yeah, and remember we need. Let's copy this. Oops. Login. We need this. The token. Let's put it here. Okay. Yeah. So this is not a button. This is a tag. So this actually doesn't work like a button. So in order to make it to work as a button, we need to use JavaScript. And here, let's just call JavaScript. Oops. Void. Okay. And then we can just like on click. Oops. On click and document. Now we're looking for this tag. We need to actually put it. No, not this tag, but actually this form. Let's just put an idea to the form, right? Let's call it favorite form. Document that get element by ID. And then now we pass the ID. Oops, this is the ID, favorite form. And then we submit. We're doing this, and then we're calling for the submit button. So we're doing like this way because, as I said, the A tag doesn't work as a button here, and actually we want to preserve the A tag because with a button you can have like this nice favorite button. Just save that. Yeah, let's see. Um, okay, so actually we don't have a profile for our user. This is the user. We need to create a profile, but apparently we don't have it here. We need to activate the profile. Um, oops, we don't have the profile in the admin. We put admin site register. Oh yes, we have activated. What I'm looking here, I got confused with the thing, but let's just reload this. Um, um, I forgot this. Okay. So we don't have a profile for our user. I just create one here through the admin, but actually we need to choose this one. Um, let's just choose one of the articles and then like put a random data here. Oops. Oh yeah, this is because here in the models we are returning. This is, let's just leave it in blank. We don't actually need to see the, okay, we have the profile. So now here can, oops, here, um, let's open the admin so you see if this is working. Okay, this is the profiles. Remember, we have here, we have just one favorite. Let's just add this one if this is works. Boom. Let's see, let's reload here. And here you go. As you can see, just choose that one. Let's try with another one. Let's choose this one. McLaren preview. As you can see, it's now selected. Let's go and then like click the button. Boop. Reload. And here you go. It's working. Um. So yeah. So let's try to see. Let's try to press the button again just to see if it removes that one. Okay. And down. Perfect. 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 Um. We need to change this this button because it doesn't, I mean, like, it doesn't tell you, it doesn't tell the user that that article is part of their favorite. We need to change that, right? Let's go to post details, and here let's let's in the post details in the views. Oops, sorry. Here in the views. Okay, let's create, like, let's put this comment for the color of the button, of the favorite button. Let's just create a variable, right? And just if let's just use this if the variable is 6, and then let's create a variable favorite equals true, then an else. This is just like a simple solution for that. And then just handle the pass to add the article to the user favorites. Yep. Pretty much. Okay, here we go. And now here we can just, this is red. We can just use the if favorite, because this is the variable that we just created. It's true. If this is true, we don't want it, right? We want it like gray, I guess. Yeah. And then here, let's create an else. Else red. Good. And then let's copy this because we need to do and if. Okay, let me read that for you. So if favorite, this variable that is here that we're passing. Oh, actually, we need to pass the variable here. And boom. If favorite it's true, it means that it means that the article is already favorite. It will change the color to gray. And if not, if not, it will be red because it's not part of the articles, right? And then yeah, let's see which one is. Let me see which one is the Subaru. It's part of the. Yep, as you can see, it's gray because it's part of the favorites. Let's click here. Then let's reload. And now it's red. And now we click, and now it's gray. And then we click, and now it's red. Do you see? It's working perfectly. Actually, let me see. I think we can add JavaScript. We can have a tool tips like this. So we let the user, so we can let the user know that like what's that button for. Let's see. Let's just copy this to the A. We just need to add tool tip here in the class. You just put here at the end. Boom. And let's say and data position button. Let's put it here data position. Put it left to the left, right? And then data tooltip. This is the message, right? Data tooltip. Oh, now actually in the data tooltip, we want an if. Let's copy all of these. Let's paste it here. Favorite is true. We want to remove else favorite. Save. So we have a conditional here to if the favorite is true, we want to show remove because it's part of the favorite. So let's see. Oh, yeah, we need to add the, let me see. Yeah, we need to add the JavaScript. Just copy that. Um, let's go to JavaScript file here, init, remember? And then just put it here in the bottom. Save. Let's go now. Let's refresh. Oh, we need to refresh the whole like site. They just press Control and F5, so we reload and we load the JavaScript files again. And here you go. Remove. Let's go again and favorite. Oh, actually, let's just put um add to favorites. See, remove, add to favorites, and then let's put remove from favorites. Add to favorites, removed from favorites. Good. Yep. Everything works great. And as I said, like I created like this profile like through the admin. We need to find a way so the user, when they create their account, it creates a profile automatically, because if they don't have a profile, it will crash, as we saw in the like menus earlier. So yeah, everything's working for now for like adding the users. Stay tuned and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.